An alliance of representatives of 3 associations directly involved with bar owners and operators is calling on the owners and operators of bars to do better and improve on adhering to COVID-19 public health guidelines. The call comes one day after Prime Minister Dr. Keith Rowley threatened to revert to previous COVID-19 prevention measures for failure to comply with the health guidelines. Khrystal Wilson reports.
The Trinidad and Tobago Beverage Alcohol Alliance, the Trinidad Hotel, Restaurant and Tourism Association, and the Bar Owners and Operators Association of Trinidad and Tobago have come together to call on bar owners and operators to please comply with COVID-19 public health guidelines. At Sunday's media briefing, Chairman of the Trinidad and Tobago Beverage Alcohol Alliance, Dr. Patrick Antoine, said those who do not adhere to COVID-19 prevention guidelines will face serious consequences.
For bars that are non-compliant as of tomorrow, the bodies that constitute the Trinidad and Tobago Beverage Alcohol Alliance, the likes of the Caribs and the Bridens and Miners and others, we are going to withhold delivering any supplies or supplying those enterprises.
Dr. Antoine added bar owners have failed to ensure that their members of staff are properly trained to embrace the new normal. So, with this said, the 3 organizations have come together to ensure staff are trained.
The TTBAA, in collaboration with the Trinidad Hotel Tourism and the Trinidad and Tobago Restaurants and Tourism Association, will pay for between 1,000 and 1,500 bars in terms of their training and in terms of their certification.
Chief Executive Officer of the Trinidad Hotel, Restaurant and Tourism Association, Mr. Brian Frunton, said the bar owners have a responsibility to ensure their staff are well trained.
Guidelines cannot exist without capacity building and training, because we're not asking people to simply put on a mask. We're asking them to change how business is conducted in a completely different way.
President of the Bar Owners and Operators Association, Taran Mohan, again pleaded with fellow bar owners and operators to make the necessary improvements as the threat of closure looms. Prime Minister Dr. Keith Rowley has promised to observe the developments as it pertains to activity at bars across the country, pending his decision on whether they will be allowed to continue operations during the COVID-19 pandemic. Khrystal Wilson, TTT News.